In this video, you'll learn to be more careful about the dangers behind your door. You'll be surprised when you see what happens in the terrifying world we leave behind when we close the door. The man asleep at night woke up in fear upon hearing the door open by itself. In his drowsy state, he couldn't comprehend what was happening and how much worse it might get. However, something even more terrifying was awaiting him. He didn't pay much attention and went back to sleep, but when the door started slamming suddenly, he jolted awake from his sleep in fear and panicked. If such an incident were to happen, and I couldn't enter in time, the situation could potentially escalate to a dangerous confrontation with unknown individuals. It's difficult to predict exactly what would occur, but being unable to enter in time could result in heightened risk to personal safety and potential harm. If the woman hadn't closed the door in time, the situation could have turned into a potentially dangerous encounter. The individuals outside could have posed a threat to her safety, and without the protection of a closed door, she might have been vulnerable to various risks, including physical harm or theft. It's fortunate that she acted quickly to secure the door and protect herself from potential harm. The mysterious figure secretly following the woman back to her home adds an element of suspense and danger to the situation. It's unclear what the intentions of this individual are, but their presence creates a sense of unease and vulnerability for the woman and her baby. If she becomes aware of being followed, she should prioritize her safety by seeking help or finding a secure location until the threat is resolved. The woman, fleeing in fear from the unidentified individuals in the dead of night, finds refuge in a nearby house and rings the doorbell, desperately seeking help. However, her anxiety mounts as no one answers the door, leaving her feeling even more vulnerable and uncertain about her safety. Despite her efforts to hide, the helpless woman eventually gets caught by the criminals, her worst fears realized as she becomes their victim. The mysterious man standing outside her apartment door in the middle of the night was a complete enigma to her, leaving her clueless as to why he was there.